On 10th March, Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah wrote to Union Petroleum Minister Hardeep Singh Puri seeking urgent intervention over a shortage of commercial LPG cylinders in Bengaluru. The Chief Minister said hotels and restaurants in the city were facing serious supply disruptions. He mentioned that many establishments had reported difficulty in procuring commercial LPG cylinders. Some hotels had warned they might have to temporarily shut operations if supplies were not restored soon. In his letter, Siddaramaiah said the problem appeared to have arisen after a revised order issued by the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas on March 9th. The order prioritized LPG production for domestic consumers. While the intention was to ensure an uninterrupted supply to households, its implementation had led to an unintended shortage of commercial LPG in the city. The Chief Minister pointed out that Bengaluru depended heavily on a large network of small hotels, mess facilities, and catering units that served lakhs of people every day. He also referred to supply figures from public sector oil companies. According to the state government, Indian Oil Corporation Limited supplied around 500 to 550 metric tons of commercial LPG per day. Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited supplied around 300 metric tons. Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited supplied about 230 metric tons daily. The sudden disruption in supply, he said, had affected hotels, catering services, and other commercial establishments across the city. Siddaramaiah also warned that the shortage could affect students and working professionals who relied on hotels and mess facilities for daily meals. Wedding halls, hostels, and event venues were also likely to face difficulties if the situation continued. The Chief Minister urged the Union government to ensure adequate supply of commercial LPG to hotels, restaurants, community halls, and other establishments. He requested immediate directions to oil marketing companies to resolve the supply constraints.